So today guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Incan Mall. Tumawag yung my manager pwede to check the compressor. Is it new compressor? It's not working. High ampere. New compressor. So we need to check. We go to the rescue. This one, I think this one is a cooker. You see, kartuhan na rin ko. You see he replaced the compressor. Compressor is a high ampere, new compressor. This one is need to check only. This one guys is a check-up only. Check-up. This one guys is 25 tons package unit Midea. Then this one is 400 pesos. Oh, good, new gauge. So yung location for this one is Almalga. So this one is the technician is need help about the compressor. Why is the high ampere? So we need to check what is the problem. Open by open this one.
This one, number one compressor, okay? This one, number two, backside. This one, ampere is okay. This one, ampere is high. This is new compressor, we fix it.
Backside.
Backside, new. But the line is clear, all the thing is clear. Even the filter also changed. Everything's. I'm flushing it by the nitrogen and element. After that, also by the bronze little flushing like
This one the backside, huh?
Yeah. This is the reason. Now, if you want me to connect it, I can connect it.
You remove.
So you
1 minute.
Huh?
This one wire.
Yes.
This is the wire. This way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Will connect it?
No. Give me your meter.
No.
It's coming 16, right? 16 ampere. 16 ampere, right? This one the compressor. This one.
Yeah.
The one compressor. When we run that to compressor, this one and this one, the ampere will coming higher of this compressor. It's mean the problem from there is a problem from the system. we need to change the capillary. So do you remove that one and check if there is a close or no.
This one is available on the company.
No.
So how did I make sure that it is working? So the compressor is not a problem.
No problem.
Compression no problem.
No problem. It's a normal compressor now. Ampere is normal.
When you run that through, it will become higher.
Yeah, because of the clogging. It's becoming clogging. It's big. Compressor big, it means it will happen that one. That's it. That's
Check the other compressor. Check the other compressor. Compressor ampere high. So then check this one compressor okay. This compressor checking one time. This needle you remove after the this thing. Now see.
all the signal coming high. When we mix the another one, it's coming high.
High up there.
And also the pressure is coming down. See? It's coming down.
I put it 100 before.
It's coming down also.
No, I put it 100. With the 100, it will increase the ampere. But this both ampere should be same. That's why.
Big compressor. Because this one is 72, right? You said 72? And this one is 65. This one 65, see? This one 72. It's a little big. Now that one, this one Ali is coming again. Ali, this is the problem from the capillary. So the issue of the package unit. It is to new compressor. This is the compressor is not complete. See, package unit. It's one train, one carrier and Petra. This one is a Petra. So, ganun na nangyari guys. Medyo malaki yung kinabit nilang compressor. Sumikip yung ng capillary. So, nasasakal yung isang compressor kaya nag-ampere siya. So, wala nila mag-adjust ng size ng capillary. So, yan lang guys. So, pauwi na kami. Mag-alas sa 5 na. Mag-question naman kami ng mag-apply kami. So, see you next video. Thanks for watching.